just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. Today's hair sponsor is MyFirstWig. This is my first collaboration with them and I'm so excited because this wig is actually so pretty. I have the 20-inch layered wig. This is the straight Indian Remy hair.
So good. I hear we play every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know, make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hear we play every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You
really long time since I've had Indian hair. You guys, like, this is what we've been missing. It has a nice luster, but like when you run your hands through it, it just feels like silk. Honestly, it feels so silky. The ends did feel slightly dry, and I did have to put some oil on the ends. Like, it looks pretty straight. Like, it doesn't necessarily look so layered. Like, it's not a drastic layering effect on this unit. It is a pretty flawless install. I would say this wig is beginner friendly because right out of the box, I did nothing to this wig. All I did was put it on my head and secure it with the hairspray. So I didn't have to bleach this unit. The lace did come pre-bleached already. So yeah, did not have to bleach the unit at all. You can't see the knots. Actually did not even wash this unit because it came ready to go. I wanted to show you guys, you know, how quick and easy it is. If you're not really experienced with putting on wigs, you can definitely get something like this and try it. The part is really nice and deep, as you guys can see. I think this might be the 160 density. I mean, it's not like really thin, but it's definitely not like super full either. Running my hands through the wig, it does feel really soft. Now I want to show you guys the ends on the unit so you guys can see. It is very healthy. Definitely say this wig is Caviar Kez approved. The quality and just the way that the wig is packaged and how it came shipped ready to install. The only thing that I noticed that might be a con that really kind of bothered me was the amount of flyaways. This wig does have quite a bit of flyaways on it, so yeah, that's something to be mindful of. My final thoughts on this unit: I really like it. I love how it's pre-plucked and you ain't gotta do nothing. You just put it on and you're ready to go. So yeah, I definitely recommend this unit to you guys. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to MyFirstWig in the description box for you guys. If you have any comments, leave that in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe and turn your notifications on if you haven't done so already. It really helps my channel out. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.